Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss about one particular sector called agriculture sector. So we'll discuss two stocks in this particular sector to understand the business. We'll see fundamentals in brief and we'll see if there is opportunity in this, and the reason behind the opportunity is very important. And before starting this everything, I'll tell you these two particular stocks are only for swing trading. It's not for long-term perspective. So if you want to know more about these particular stocks, these two stocks from long-term perspective, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video keeping the long-term perspective in mind. But as of now, please note this is only for swing trading perspective, and I'll tell the time frame also what is the my plan on this particular two stocks. So let's start discussing about these companies. But again, disclaimer, please note this is my only personal research and personal opinion. This is not any kind of recommendation to buy or sell this stock or any stock I mentioned on this channel. This is only for refresher purpose, and please use it only for that purpose only. And just note, I have a Telegram channel also. I forget sometime to mention that or put that in the description or things like that. But you can find the link in the description of every video. If you're interested in joining the channel where I put small updates regarding the stock market, but I don't share the articles from other channels, money control and things like that. So there's not a lot of updates there. But I plan to give 2 to 3 swing trading opportunities, small 5%, 6% kind of opportunity every now and then on this channel. Total all maybe 10 to 12 opportunity in a month. So that will help you to make small amount of gains every month from some stock. Again, that was my research, not my recommendation. So you can join that channel if you want to know the name of the stocks, and then you can decide whether you want to invest on those stocks or not. So let's start the discussion. First company is Coromandel International Limited. So this company is in the business of fertilizers basically, and they are a prime producer of NPK kind of nutrients. So they have three divisions. If you see the website, we can see more in the product and services. So let's click on that. So they have fertilizers, they have crop protection, they have specialty nutrients. So three kind of division, out of which the specialty nutrient is their core business, which governs around 80 to 84% of the revenue. I'm going a little fast because we'll discuss two stocks, and I intend to keep the videos around 10 minutes only. So 5 minutes, around 4 minutes per videos. If you see fertilizers, they have two kind of fertilizers. One is normal fertilizers, one is fortified fertilizers. In normal fertilizers, they have some brands like Growmore 1435 14, Growmore 28 28, and Growmore 2020 013, and one more called Growmore Parafomos, Growmore Paris Super. There are a lot of Growmore they have. Okay, and they have launched also something called if you go back in fertilizers, they have something called fortified fertilizers, which they launched new. In this case, they have Growmore Ultra DAP, Growmore Ultra something, and Growmore Paris Super. So this is fortified fertilizers. Similarly, they have something in crop protection also. They have a lot of products. You can read more about them in detail if you want. And then they have specialty nutrients, which is their actually core product. As I told you, 84% of the revenue comes from their nutrients for crops. So this is something which is their core offering. So this is what the company does in a nutshell. If you go to fundamentals, this company is a mid-cap company which is good stock P, quite active. It's not very good in the in the entire sector, but it's a good buy. ROC and ROE is very good, like best in the sector I can say. And then if you go for promoter holding 57.6%, out of which not only 0.101% is pledged, which is insignificant. And then if you see debt is only 385 crores, where there's net profit is 1329 crores. So this make this company is completely debt free, and they are highly profitable as well from the debt and equity part. Now let's go to the quarter numbers. If you see, there's something special to note, and please note that carefully because this is what decides whether stock is good or not. If you see September 2018, the revenue was 5000 crores. December it was dipped to 3000 crores, but March it will very less, 2600 and 2100 in June. But again, same year, September is 4858, December is 3279. September is always great. Same goes for 2020 also. March is 2869, June is 3213, but September is high in revenue, that is 4611. December is little less than September, but still 3553 is bigger than June and March. So these two quarters are important for any fertilizer based companies in India because of monsoon. Now, since they're important, both September and March quarters are very important, but for Coromandel, always September performs better than their December, maybe because of the product offering where they have nutrients which you give to the crops at the initial stage, whereas fungicides, insecticides and crop protection is given on the fertilizers when they grow up in some part of the cycle, which is not initial stage, maybe in the mid cycle of the entire crop cycle. So that's the reason their September is more focused and not December, because of their focus on nutrients part. Okay, this is the reason why. Now, as I told you, this is very important. So please note that we are on the verge of getting the results of this quarter in couple of months, or maybe by October we'll get, and also the next quarter result will also come in the month of Jan or maybe Feb for this company. So this time frame around 4 to 5 months, or maybe max to max 6 months, is the time frame which I'm looking for. Sorry, swing trading perspective for this stock. Also for the next stock, I'm telling upfront. Next stock also we have a similar time frame. So this is what the number looks like. Small amount of details in profit and loss. This company started with 6,395 crores, almost 6,400 crores of revenue, and reached up to 14,664 crores of revenue in last 12 months. That's a good growth as a growing company. Same goes to net profit. Also started with 468. It was increasing, that dipped down a little bit in 2 quarters, then still started growing further, and now the revenue for last 3 years, if you see, is growing very fast and reached up to 1416 crores of net profit. So in the last 4 years, they doubled the net profit, and that is a very important numbers. Regarding agri sector, I discussed in Kaveri Seeds video also that agri sector is going to get a lot of push. In Sharda Cropcom video also I discussed a lot that agri sector is getting a lot of push from government, also private sector. So I'll leave the link in the description, also in the cards. So if you want interested, you can search for Sharda Cropchem or Kaveri Seeds. More than the stock, you can also learn about the sector analysis also in those videos. So alternatively, if link is not there, or if you don't click on the link, you can search on YouTube putting my name Mayank Tripathi and the stock name, any stock name. If I would have made a video on that, you'll definitely get that. Promoter holding, if you see, the promoters have 57.5%, 5-6% stock, where public has 13.5% stake. FIS, DIs are quite involved in this company because it's a good company. Okay. So this is how the fundamentals look like for Coromandel. If you go to chart for Coromandel was falling a bit, but as I told, the season monsoon has come good actually overall. It will support this stock, and the stock is going to increase a lot from here. Now I'm creating this video at around 14:31 today, and it's already moved 3.58%. Actually, I created this video in the morning, also one more video, but the clarity was not good, so I didn't upload that video. And this video is going to upload today, and we already seen this thing has jumped. So the chart I created in the morning itself, you see the chart I created here at the current price point, previous morning price point, and it already got a up move of 3.5%. So the target has reduced from here, but still I'm saying this stock for 6 months, if you get 15 to 20% return also, it's a very good return in this kind of swing trading opportunity. And this is a target which is very I'll say conservative. This stock will cross its high and will reach bigger target. So 15 to 20% you can give a certain return on this stock. First stock. Let's move to second stock. Second stock is a competitor for this particular company, which is Chambal Fertilizers. So Chambal Fertilizers, if I open here and I close this Coromandel, I'll open this Chambal Fertilizer. So Chambal Fertilizer, if you see, they are also in the similar sector. They are also fertilizers, but they have some other products as well. So we'll click on, they have crop nutrients, they have fertilizers, and they have specialty fertilizers. We click on fertilizers, we'll just see overview. So they have different kind of products: fertilizers, specialty fertilizers. Sorry, in crop production they have insecticides, fungicides, herbicides. They have seeds also, and they have a lot of products. In case of major nutrients, they have these many 4 products. In case of specialty or macronutrients, they have around like 6 to 7, 8 products. Similarly, if you go to insecticides, they have a list of products, huge number of list. Similarly, fungicides also, they have a good number of list of products. Same goes for herbicide as well. They have a good number of list of products. So details, if you want to read what is atrazine, what is butachlor, what is imazethafir, whatever that is, you can go and discuss and read about that. Seeds also they have launched. They have a lot of seeds. They have barley seeds, mustard seeds, paddy seeds, soybean seeds, wheat seeds. So this company is completely into diversified a lot into agriculture entire cycle, from crop protection to nutrients to herbicides, fungicides, and everything, as well as seeds. So they want to capture the entire cycle. So this is the reason why this company also looks good. Let's go to their fundamental number. This is a mid-cap company. Stock P is quite attractive, 8.85. In spite of having good move, still the P is very less, and this makes this stock very attractive. ROC and ROE is okay, 20.2 and 13.8, less than Coromandel, but still it's a good number. What is worrying for this company is promoter holding 60.4%, but 19% of that is pledged. So that is something which is a worrying number. Second is the debt. They have a very high debt of 3,866 crore, and net profit is only 1,655 crore. So that is something which is negative of the stock. And though the stock has rallied a lot, but still this is something which is not good from competitor perspective from Chambal and Coromandel. And this is the reason I find Coromandel is more attractive and has got more safety net compared to Chambal Fertilizers. But saying that Chambal Fertilizer is a good company, this has got given a good up move also in the past and has grown a lot. We'll discuss that a little bit in later on the chart perspective. Let's go to quarterly number. The same I told you, September and December quarter holds true for this company also. You see 2019 sales from March and June was in the range of 2600 and 800, but September 2019 is 3500 crores and December is 2832 crores. Same goes for 2020 also. March and June sales number were less, but September December sales number were high. Similar thing will repeat this year also. March and June numbers will be less, but December September number will be again high. So keeping that in mind, the next two quarters will be again good numbers, right? So the numbers will be very good, and that's how it will reflect in the stock price also. Let's go to their profit and loss also. If you see, from 4,000 crore to 13,000 crore, they have grown almost nearly 4 times, 3.5 times growth has been there for this company. So that is also good growth. Same goes for net profit also. From 217 crore, they have grown regularly in spite of apart from this particular year, and they have reached 1737 crore. So the fundamental, it's a very strong growing company. What I envision the debt, I have to research further why this debt is there. One part of debt I understand because they are into some kind of expansion mode also, but that we can understand from the balance sheet. The expansion only 161 crore, but the debt is very high. It used to be 9,696 crore, but now they've reduced to only 386 crore. So that's a good progress. But I'm not sure, but is this company also in financing? Maybe, and maybe that's the reason the debt is very high. For that, I need to research further. And if you want that kind of detailed analysis, why debt is high, what the reason behind this, what kind of growth, what kind of capex plan this company has, let me in the comment section that you want fundamental analysis on Chambal fertilizer or Coromandel fertilizer. I will definitely create a video on the entire fundamental analysis. But for that, I need your opinion for that kind of videos. Let's go to chart. We'll see what happened to Chambal. So my thing, the Chambal has moved a lot in the past. It has grown a lot. From here, it has grown very fast here, and that is growing again. But now it is there close to its 50-day moving average. If you can see here in screener, it is 50-day moving average. So that's also a very good point. It has dipped. It has dipped also today. So again, that gives an opportunity for us. So if you see gains from chart perspective, it might not look very big, but again, supporting the season and everything whatever we discussed, keeping that, considering that, the opportunity looks attractive enough for you to invest. So here in chart perspective is only 14.34%, but I personally, every time I told you 30-40% is good enough for me. 50-60 is I used to get in some stocks, but 30-40 is also good enough in this kind of swing trading opportunity. So 15%, even if you get in 6 months, personally I'll be happy with this. But opinion wise, if you ask me, this will definitely grow more. What I envision for this particular company in terms of growth is this. So if I start creating one, it might not be exact, but if I start creating some kind of pattern from here, so this is one pattern what I can get. If I drag it here, then this is the target which I'm looking for next 6 months. Next 6 months when I go, it's something around 2022. So that's a huge growth. This might happen. I'm not sure this will happen, but this is what the chart looks like. Okay, so you consider that is a good opportunity, 30 to 40% here in 6 months, but this is for sure it will reach 15%. So if you get 15% also good opportunity, if you get 30% return, that's a brilliant opportunity. So this was my analysis, my personal thought on these two stocks, what is Coromandel International, what is Chambal Fertilizer. You have to make your own decision based on the video if you like it, and if you find it helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends, family, anyone you know in your network. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button so that I get discovered by YouTube algorithm, because that works based on likes. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed so far. If you like our content, hit the bell icon to get notified on time and support me. Let me know in the comment section what you need and what I can do to improve my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. See you later in the next video.